Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of 10 days of advanced math challenges. So on this one, let's see how we can give a solution to this problem we are given. So you are asked to simplify log fourth root of 729 times cube root of 9 raised to the power of minus 1 times cube root of 27 raised to the power of minus 4 over 3 without the use of calculator. All in base 3. Now let's see how we can solve it very fast. So in case you missed day 1, this is the video card for day 1. That's it. Just click on the link after this video. I'll still drop the link so you can click on there and watch the video of day 1. So this is day 2. Now let's start solving. So we have to simplify log fourth root of 729 times the cube root of 9 raised to the power of minus 1 times the cube root of 27 raised to the power of minus 4 over 3, all in base 3. So here I have log fourth root of, now 729 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 6. Then here will be times cube root of 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 2 times minus 1 times cube root of 7 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 3 times minus 4 over 3. Now this can cancel this. So all this is in base 3. Now I have log fourth root of 3 raised to the power of 6 times the cube root of 3 raised to the power of 2 times this is minus 2 times the cube root of 3 raised to the power of, when this is out, I'm just left with minus 4, all in base 3. So now I'm going to convert this cube root to an index. So when I have 3 raised to the power of minus 2, I will have 3 raised to the power of minus 2 times 1 over 3 because of this cube root. The same thing I'll do here. So I'll have log fourth root of 3 raised to the power of 6 times 3 raised to the power of minus 2 times 1 over 3. The same thing I'll do here too. Times 3 raised to the power of minus 4 times 1 over 3, all in base 3. So here I'll have log fourth root of 3 raised to the power of 6 times 3 raised to the power of minus 2 over 3 times 3 raised to the power of minus 4 over 3, all in base 3. Now according to the law of indices, I have the multiplication of numbers having the same base. I'm just going to add the index. So here I'll have log fourth root of 3 raised to the power of 6 plus minus 2 over 3 plus minus 4 over 3, all in base 3. So I'm almost getting to the end of this. Now I have log fourth root of 3 raised to the power of 6 minus 2 over 3 minus 4 over 3. My plus times minus is minus, plus times minus is minus. All this is in base 3. So I'll have log fourth root of 3 to the power of 18 minus 2 minus 4 all over 3, base 3. So for me, I just needed to find the square root, the LCM. LCM is 1, the LCM is 3. Then 1 will go into 3. 3 times 6, I'll have 18, like that until you do the 2 and 4. So now I'll have log fourth root of 3 to the power of 12 minus 3, all in base 3. Because 18 minus 2 is 16, and 16 minus 4 is 12, all in base 3, divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3, I'll have 4. So I'll have log fourth root of 3 raised to the power of 4 base 3. So for here now, this can cancel this, and I'm just left with log 3 base 3, which is 1. And that's the answer. So the solution to this problem is just 1. It's very, very simple. So hope you enjoyed the video. In case you don't understand, you can just watch this video again and again so that it will sink into your head. So in case you missed day 1, this is the video link for day 1. Click on this, then take it to day 1 and make sure you stay tuned on this journey till we get to day 10 so you can master math like a pro. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this.